The greatest secret you will ever find. Part 3. Eat like the ancient. Your first meal should never be earlier than 6 when the sun is rising, and never later than 6 when the sun sets. Suppose I tell you that if you cook with your blender, you will never ever get sick again. Any sickness that you have and you're going through it right now. All you gotta do is make up your mind and do 28 days of fasting first. And I'm talking about fruit fast. Fast with sea moss, making smoothies, and eat fruits with a lot of water, or you may put it in your juicer. Yeah man, fruits like watermelon with the seeds, and fruits like cucumber, right? And your life will never ever be the same again. Stop drinking pipe water or covered water, that is spring water, at the shops or supermarket, Walmart, but drink coconut water for this 28 day, and you will see what happened. This 28 days is gonna kill every single bad cell in your body and resuscitate the strength of your cell, and your defense mechanism, your lymphatic system will override any disease in your body, and your body will stand and triumph as a giant over any disease causing agent that is within the pores of any corner of your body. Again, a little exercise will help too, especially if you do it every single day. The more pressure you put the body under is the more strength the body increases. 1 day worth of exercise put on 10 days of life on your body. Next thing, become very stress free as possible, and you will realize that your mind will move mountain. You will sit and be quiet and meditate and take in fresh air, because everything that is in every food groups is naturally in the ear if you practice proper breathing. Breathing that prana, my friend. I'm telling you, peace of mind is better than the shattered pieces of your mind. A mind, a mind that is unstable cannot sit steady. We think too much and know too little. We grow too tall and yet not wiser. Simple is more and more is simple. If nature does not make it, don't shake it, but shake a tree and eat something with me outside here. Peace and light. Part 4 coming up.